Did you hear about, I think it's Judge Klein down here in Southern California?
Exactly, yes, I followed that. He's been indicted for having child pornography, and then I believe a young man was stepped for. He's now an adult, but while he was, I believe, a young teenager, 13 or 14, that the judge had approached him and sexually molested him. And what's astounding is he's still on the ticket trying to get reelected. And what's even more astonishing is that I believe 20 of his colleagues came out and endorsed him.
20 colleagues endorsed Judge Klein, even though he's indicted?
Knowing this, and then in fact also when they went in and searched his computer, both home and in the office, they found child porn there and also found a diary. Now there may be some issues as to how they initially got that evidence. It may have been illegally obtained or something, and there may be some technical defenses that he's going to raise.
Is it possible Judge Klein's being targeted for something he did right, and they put pornography on his computer? Do you think that's a possibility?
It's possible, I don't know. I mean, you have to investigate these things and give people their day in court, and hopefully we have a fair process.
Well, would you give us some examples of, I imagine you never heard of Judge Noel Cannon.
I do.
She was the one that threatened to shoot
I'll tell you about
the
Judge
testicles
Noel
off the
Cannon.
police officer.
She's going to give him a 38th a second.
Yeah, 38th a
That is
second.
one of the most amazing cases that in fact, not so much that it happened, but that there's an opinion about it, and they show you what happened. And what's amazing is how long that went on. In fact,
she got promoted. She got a job as a lobbyist.
did she? Well, that's
In
usually what
Sacramento.
happens. I can tell you a couple horror stories of myself like that. Where
How is that a punishment of Judge Noel Cannon? How she gets a job as a lobbyist and makes as much or more?
Well, it works. That's the way it works. That's the way power works. One of the reasons that I got into this is, as I left insurance defense, I got into plaintiff's legal malpractice, suing attorneys that have wronged their own clients.